welcome back to my YouTube channel. At the end of this video, you're going to understand live charting, you're going to understand how to add indicators, you're also going to understand how to do technical analysis on your MetaTrader 5 application. So let's head on to the chart and see how it's been done. So we're going to be looking at this particular icon at the bottom, the second icon from your left hand, right, which is chart. So let's head on and click on chart. Okay, on the chart icon on your MetaTrader 5, right, this is exactly what you see. You come to your chart, you see candlesticks, right? So you're either going to see candlesticks, you can choose to see candlesticks, or you can choose to see bar chart, or you can choose to see the line chart. So how do you navigate all this? It's very simple. Let's head on to, it's very simple. You simply just do this. You click on any part of your screen and you'll see this circle is going to appear, right? And then you click on the settings, right? So you click on settings, and then right over here you can change from candlesticks to bar chart or to line chart. So when you click here, you see all the kind of chart patterns that you have on the MetaTrader 5. So currently we are using candlesticks. You can change to bar chart and you'll see the chart will appear to you in the form of bars. You can choose line chart and it's going to appear in the form of lines. You can choose this and it's going to appear just as you want. So let's head on and click on the bar chart. And you go back and then you see the market will appear to you, will be presented to you in the form of bars. If you do that again and you choose line chart, it's going to give you the market in the form of lines. So we're going to go back to candlesticks by clicking on candlesticks, right? So we have the market in front of us in the form of candles. Now, how do we add indicators on our chart? It's simple. You just simply go to the icon over here. This is for indicators, to add indicators. Or you can simply just click on your screen. You have this circle, and right here you see the same N over there. The same N is right here. Any of them to add an indicator on your screen. So let's do that right now. Now you have an eye over here, right? That's when you don't want to see any of these indicators. You simply just click on this eye. It's going to be cancelled. Now the delete sign is here for you to delete indicators you don't want to use anymore. You can delete them. Okay. Now for the main chart, we already added two indicators. We have two moving averages. If we don't want to see any of them, we simply just click on the eye. It's going to be cancelled. Okay. So that's how we add indicators on our MetaTrader 5 application. So let's head on at the first indicator so you see exactly how it's being done. So let's click on the plus sign. Let's say we are adding another moving average. We click on moving average, and then we come over here to the period and we put the 500. We'll keep it at simple. We'll leave the shift to 0, we'll leave apply to close, and then we scroll down here to select the color. You can choose a color and you choose how you want it to be, very bold or very tiny. So let's choose a color for this. Let's take pop, right? And then you can make it slim or you make it fat by just drawing on this line. So let's save it. So we've added the third indicator to our main chart. So let's go back to chart and you're going to see that. Now if you look right below here, we have indicator 50 moving average. So each indicator you add on your chart, you're going to see it right in front of you. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. So for the indicator window 1, we already have the relative strength index added. If you don't want to see it, you click here, it's going to be disabled. Just click on that eye, it's going to be enabled. So let's go to the script right here. if you want to see what is on indicator window 1, simply just click on, just highlight any part of your screen. You see what happens, right? So right here, everything here will disappear, and this will appear to tell you that you can actually shift this to the upside to see indicator window 1. So let's do that. So now you see that we have indicator window 1 right here, and this is the main chart indicators. Okay, so you can either just leave it here, or if you want to send it back down, you just highlight on your screen. This small dot is going to appear, and this too is going to appear. This X here is for you. That's when you want to delete the indicator completely. You just click on the X, it's going to be deleted. If you want to push it back to the downside or extend it on your screen, you click on this, you bring it down, you take it up. If you want to draw horizontal or vertical lines, or add other stuff like the Fibonacci, you can also just do that. You have this circle, right? Now this is for tools, this is for technical analysis tools. When you see it, you just click on your screen and this circle will pop up. You see this area, right? You click on it and you see those tools we would like to use to do analysis with. You see the arrow tool, you see the square, you see the trendline tool. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, so let's go back to the screen, and if I want to draw a trend line, I'll simply just click on my screen. This circle will pop up. I'll click on this one, this particular one, and then I'll pick whatever tool I want to use. So I'm going to pick this trend line. So I picked it and I drop it on the screen. When you drop it, you can either draw it to any direction of your choice. Okay, and when you're done, simply just double tap on it. If you're using an Android phone, if you're using an iPhone, you simply just click on it once and this dot here will disappear. This dot here are to tell you that it's giving you the opportunity to be able to move this or reduce, increase, and you can take it to any direction. But once these three dots are absent, therefore means you want the line to be fixed at that position. So you simply double tap and it's done. Now you cannot move that particular line except you double tap again. This is exactly how we use the chart icon on our MetaTrader 5. So thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that each time we drop a new content of very high value like this, you'll be the first to make use of it. And also drop your comments in the comment section on whatever thing you don't understand so that we can actually take you through. Thank you, and see you in the next video.